Here's a few exercises that I want to share with you just by using your thumb and index finger for now if you're starting out, okay? So, and then we're going to use hammer-ons, 2-finger hammer-ons only, 1 and 2 finger, okay? So you can start on any fret, but for now I'm going to use the 5th fret and the 6th fret. We're going to hammer on using our thumb to pluck it once and then hammer on. On the 5th string, you do the same thing on the 5th and 6th fret, but this time you use your index finger to hammer on. Okay, so we're gonna group them into one group. So notice how I pluck downwards with my thumb and index finger upwards on the 5th string. So that's one group, 5 and 6th string. Now we move that shape down to the 4th and 3rd string. Okay. And then we combine. And then we move that same shape down now to the 2nd and 1st string. And now we combine all of them, but still thinking of first group, the 5 and 6th string, second group, the 3rd and 4th string, and the 3rd group, 1st and 2nd string. So if you're thinking of groups, your brain can process it easily when you're starting out. And then later on, gradually, you combine them, still thinking of groups, but in real time, you're playing one straight exercise, okay? There, that's the maximum speed that we're gonna do for now. Okay, then now we're gonna try it now with 3 fingers on the fretting hand. So 1, 2, 3, hammer-ons, still the same movement. And then index finger, thumb, index, thumb, index. So we have, those are 3 groups again. I played it with pause in between. And now I'm still thinking of the pauses, but I'm in real time, I'm going straight. Okay, it's okay to emphasize this with the thumb. There you go. And now we're gonna move 4 fingers, fretting hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, same movement, okay, so. And then we're gonna group them. Now we're gonna group them still in our mind, but we're gonna go straight now. One more time. And there you go. So that's just a quick finger exercise using your thumb and index finger. If you're interested, using finger style, if you just want to explore other picking or finger style techniques, okay? As a beginner, always as a beginner. So I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you in the next one.